Best wishes of the morning to all of you class 10th. Welcome to English Literature period. First book, first flight is going on from which first lesson, A Letter to God, has been completed every week. Presently we are starting second lesson. Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom by Roli Lala Mandela. Before starting the lesson, we know deep and clear summary of the lesson. But before that, please know something about the writer. As Roli Lala Mandela was also a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary and politician who served as president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. In this lesson, one word is very important. What is that? Apartheid. Apartheid. Getting deep meaning of this word, we have to start this lesson. Apartheid. Apartheid means it is a political system. It is a political system that separates people according to their race, color. Here we are going to know about Nelson Mandela. Who was Nelson Mandela? Nelson Mandela and his African National Congress party spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid, and for this Mandela had to send to the jail. In the jail, he spent of his life 30 years. But finally, when democratic election was held in South Africa in 1994, with a large number of votes, he became winner and became first black president of new nation. Now, know detail about this lesson. After getting freedom, swearing ceremony was held. The first black president of South Africa and his colleges took place on the date 10th of May. It was historical moment. All the dignitaries, representatives of 140 countries came to attend and give their respect to Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, after getting political freedom, his government pledged to liberate people from the bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. But when Nelson Mandela remembers prime stage of his life, he is very sad, as he was born. His birth was, he had birth of apartheid. Later on, that day, Mandela remembered his history as in the first decade means a time of 10 years, first decade of the 20th century, a few years later, Anglo-Boer War before his birth. White-skinned people patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of South Africa. It was the birth of apartheid, very hardest inhuman creation. But for that, Nelson Mandela fought for a long time. He remembered the suffering and courage of thousands of patriots who participated in the long struggle out. But that policy of apartheid created a deep wound in African people. It was a reign of oppression and cruelty. But deep oppression produced the great person as Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Yusuf Dadosh, etc. Mandela thinks South Africa's real wealth is her people who are finer, truer than the purest diamonds. Every man has twin obligations in the life. Every man. What are twin obligations? First one is towards his family and the other towards his people and his country. But in the reign of apartheid, if one tried to fulfill his duty, his moral duty towards his people, surely he was separated, he was cut off from his family and he was forced to live. He was forced to become homeless. Mandela said he was born free. He had the freedom to run in the childhood. During childhood, nobody knows reality of the life. When he grows, then he come to know a reality of the life. When Mandela come to reality of his life, then he realized that he was not free. And to get freedom, he suffered too much, he struggled too much. Finally, he was winner. This is summary of this lesson. Please write in your own words. This is your homework. Tomorrow I will start to explain the passage. Thanks. Have a nice day.